Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Aliexpress and opening the orders page. This gives you immediate access to tracking. Once done, tap the specific order to view order ID, shipping method, and current status. You need the tracking number and shipping carrier to follow progress. Write them down or copy to clipboard. This initial step matters because it tells you whether the seller has shipped and which logistics partner to check, saving time when you move to carrier tracking or Aliexpress logistics details. You now use the tracking number to get real-time updates. If Aliexpress lists a carrier, click their tracking link or paste the number into the carrier's site. This often shows finer-grained scans. If Aliexpress only gives a generic number, use the built-in track button to poll updates periodically. Make sure to check seller messages and shipping notes, because some sellers provide additional micro-tracking or consolidation info that explains pauses during transit. This reduces worry and prevents premature disputes. You finish by confirming delivery and closing the loop. Once the carrier shows delivered, compare timestamps and photos with what you received. If missing, first message the seller with tracking evidence and request proof or a resend. If the seller does not resolve it, open a dispute with an Aliexpress buyer protection time, submit tracking, messages, and photos. As a troubleshooting tip, if tracking shows no updates for several weeks, escalate to dispute early rather than waiting. That preserves your protection window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.